In this video, I am going to show you how to pose for photo. The easiest poses ever. Okay, but before we get into this video, I just want to say, if this is your first time here, welcome and thank you so much for watching this video. So for the best modeling tips and branding tips, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. Hi modelpreneurs, my name is Vanance, model coach and the creator of Model to Modelpreneur. So for the best modeling tips and branding tips, make sure to subscribe to my channel, click that bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. So we're gonna go straight into this. So the first pose, it's so easy. This is my favorite pose to do. It's one leg in front. When you are posing and you just don't want to look like a robot like this. You don't want to look like a robot when you are posing, right? So it's very important to do something. So if you feel like you don't want to do too much, literally just put your leg right in front of the other. So with this pose, it makes you look slim, okay? It makes you look slimmer. It also makes it very natural because you're not doing a lot. You're literally just putting one leg ahead in front of the other. It also makes you look very comfortable when you do that because you're not posing doing a lot. You're just putting your leg in front of the other. So make sure that whoever is taking your picture when you're doing this pose, they're taking it at a little bit of a lower level because it's going to make you look taller. You want to look taller in pictures. So when you do that pose, it's gonna make you look extra tall, okay? If you're 5'6", you're about to look 6'1". Yes. So the next pose, movement. Movement is just being casual, moving. It could be you walking, it could be you doing like slight jumps, it could be you just moving your hair. Boom, boom. Movements, that's what it is. Just move. This poses makes you look very natural, and this is the best for like candid shots. I feel like candid shots are just like the best because it's like, oh yeah, I was just doing this pose, I was just moving, and then you caught me moving. I honestly feel like I get the best shots when I'm not posing too much. I'm actually just like, you know, doing things, moving, jumping, walking, like flipping my head, touching my face, like mid me doing things. So I think that it's really good when you actually are moving in pictures. They're so natural, and I feel like on Instagram people love candid shots. So definitely move, girl. Just don't stand there, move. So this is my next favorite one, and it's sitting poses. So sometimes I feel like it's easier to pose when you're sitting down, in my opinion. But sitting poses, you can create a lot of angles with your body. You can create different angles. Sit on the stairs and do different things with your legs, things with your arms when you're sitting. You're creating angles with your body when you are sitting. And then when it comes to sitting poses, I feel like it makes it easier because you can do so many different things, so many different poses when you are sitting as well. So yeah, definitely find a place to sit. It could even be the ground, it could even be like a couch, it could even be a chair, it could be the stairs. Like, just be creative with your sitting poses, and in your head just keep thinking like, how can I create different angles with my body? Before I continue this video, comment down below and let me know, how do you practice your poses? Comment down below, pause this video and let me know, okay? Once you pause it and you're done, keep on watching. So the next pose is using your arms. A lot of people are like, I don't know what to do with my hands. What do I do? Before I even say that, I want to say there's a difference between when I am posing with my hands for a photo shoot and how I am posing with my hands for Instagram or social media. So basically, when I am at a photo shoot, I think with my hands, I make it a little bit more dramatic. You know, I'm more dramatic depending on the photo shoot. I feel like I use my hands more in a more dramatic way. That's dying. Hold up. Let's get a new charger real quick. My camera died. So I'm using my DSLR right now. So excuse excuse the sound if it's not as great, excuse everything right now, okay? So my camera died and I really need to make this video before I get tired. Yeah, so when I'm on Instagram, my poses are a little different than what I am on Photoshoot. But on Instagram, I think I keep it a little bit more natural, like just, you know, I just keep it very natural. You don't want to do too much for like social media pictures. You want to keep it as much natural as you can, but don't keep your hands to yourself like that. You don't want to look like a statue like this, like we talked about earlier. Keep it natural. Oh shoot, oh my god. So since this video is all about like natural poses, so what you could do with your hands is, the first thing you could do, you could cross them like this. Just cross your hands like that, or you can put it in your hair, play with your hair. Like, another thing you can do with your hands is just to swing your arms, just swinging your arms back and forth. So just swinging it. I feel like when you do all of that, it makes the picture so much more interesting, you know? Like when you are just using your hands in different ways, it makes the pictures so much more fun, so much more natural. You just want to look so natural in pictures. A lot of people look so awkward when they're posing. I'm like, are you okay? So literally just act like the camera is not in front of you. I know that for some people it's really hard to do, but literally just act like the camera is not in front of you and you should be fine. Just act like the person is not there and you're just walking, you're just swinging your arm, you're just feeling cute, just flipping your hair and not even looking as well too. So when it comes to your arm, just play around with it, you know, just act like the camera is not there. Okay, so the next pose is over the shoulder. I love this pose because this pose shows off my best side. This is my best side. So when I do over the shoulder, I always do it on this side. I think in the video I probably showed my other side as well, because sometimes it's, you know, it's just good to try different poses and try different things that you might like. So yeah, this is my best side. So find your best side. And basically what this means when you do over the shoulder pose, you're going to turn your back towards the camera and then you're going to turn your neck looking at the camera. So your back is toward the camera, but you are turning your neck to look at the camera. So also I love this pose because it really shows my side profile in a way. Nice jaw, it makes you a little like slim and skinnier, if you know what I mean. Also when I do this, I kind of try to elongate my neck, because when I do it, I feel like it makes me more stronger. It makes me more bam. So I try to elongate my neck a little bit when I do this pose as well. So the more you start practicing your poses, especially this specific pose, you're going to start understanding what works best, like which one is the angle that I like the most, which like you're gonna get more comfortable with doing this pose specifically, and every other pose you're gonna get better at it as well. So it's just really, I really love this pose because it really like defines my jawline and elongates my neck and makes me slimmer, and that's going to make, it's also going to do that for you. Okay queen, this is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you feel like you need more, you're like, I want to know more, I want to get into the modeling industry and I have no idea how to start, where to go, what to do, I got you. Okay, I created a free ebook, 5 easy steps on how to get started with modeling. So go ahead and grab this free ebook. The link is going to be up here or down in the description box down below. So if you want to get this book, it's completely free and it's literally going to help you elevate your modeling career quick and fast. So go ahead and grab the book. Thank you so much for watching. For the best modeling tips and branding tips, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.